Michigan Early Literacy Collaborative. Comprehension, literature, ask and answer. The learning objective for this strand is that readers can ask and answer questions to deepen his or her understanding of a literary text. The length of this support lesson is 15 minutes, and the pre-skills needed are that the student should have an understanding of the basic elements of a narrative story and are familiar with the partner pair-share routine and expectations. Materials needed for this lesson are a narrative, one-page story called Fixing My Sister's Bike. You will need to print copies for each student. Also, a copy of sentence starter examples. To have displayed on the board, choose just 5 to 7 questions that suit you. The instructional sequence should follow the workshop model. Bring the students to a designated group area. Once they're seated and quiet, discuss the basic elements of a narrative story by using the story hand. Remind them of setting, characters, problem, solution, and ending. After that 5-minute discussion, read the story Fireflies to the class. As you read, model asking and answering some of the questions that you have listed on the board. Ideally, you would have pre-selected questions that demonstrate your think aloud in front of the group. Once you finish reading and discussing Fireflies, share with the students that you will be giving them a one-page narrative so that they can independently read and discuss questions with a partner. Use the sentence starters with a partner and have them take turns asking questions. The narrative selection is Fixing My Sister's Bike. Remember to let the students know during their active engagement that they're practicing their questioning skills to help understand what they read, and remember to use the text as their guide. After you read and discuss questions using the book Fireflies, let students know that they will independently read a short narrative, Fixing My Sister's Bike. Then they will take turns asking questions with a partner. Send the students out to read the narrative, and once they get together with a partner, remind them that they are practicing their questioning skills to help them understand what they are reading. Also remind them to use the text as a guide. These Detective Book Club discussion starters and ways to respond are from the MESA 3rd grade mystery unit and are added here as an extra resource if you would like to use them. For the formative assessment in this lesson, use an exit ticket or have them show you what they have responded or how they have responded with their partner. Standards assess are RL 3.1. Here are more additional resources that you can find online. Please go to the lesson to get to the link. Anchor standards covered: RL 3.1, SL 3.1, SL 3.1A, SL 3.1B, SL 3.1C, SL 3.1D.